Hi everybody, Richard here from Driving Horizons, and today we are exploring Hengistbury Head. You get to Hengistbury Head car park down this dead end road. All that's at the end of this road is Hengistbury Head. And when you get there, be careful if you have a tall motorhome or something, because there is height restrictions, but luckily my VW California just snuck underneath it. After double checking, obviously. This'll do. The car park is pretty large, but it does get quite full up in busy times, and you'll see later when I got back it was quite full up. There are toilets just to the side of the car park, and there's also a cafe and an ice cream shop. There's also the information centre and a visitor centre, which gives you all the information you need to know. If you pop inside, they have the usual visitor centre knickknacks and souvenirs and things like that. There are a couple of routes to choose from, or you could do what I did and take the circular route. I headed up along the clifftop path before coming down onto the beach and heading out to the end of Mudeford Sandbank before turning back to head alongside Christchurch Harbour. This gives you the best of both worlds. I started by following the easy to navigate path up onto the cliff top. That way goes to the beach, which I don't want to do today. Actually, let's go and show you. Let's go and have a quick look. And it is the mini cliff top here, so be careful, but nice views and half decent blue skies today. You do get some stairs to navigate along the way, but the views are worth it, and it's not long before you reach the end of Hengistbury Head and you enjoy all these great views along the way. And if you fancy it, after this part of the walk, there are some seats at the end here where you can look out over the water while you get ready for the next part. There are some stairs to take down, and once you come out onto the beach on Hengistbury Head, you are faced with beach huts to your left, but if you turn right it goes back round to a pretty beach. So we have just got, I'm here on my own today. I've just got down those stairs, and if you turn right at the bottom of the stairs you come out onto the beach, and I'm pretty certain that if you head that way you will go back round to the beach from the you can see the beach that I showed you from the top of the cliff before we started. Or if you do what I did, you head left and you find yourself heading towards Mudeford Quay and checking out all these pretty colourful beach huts along the way. And just along here is where the land train turns around, so be sure to have a ride on this if you want an easy route there or back. I headed further down as I wanted to go as far as I could and take a look across to Mudeford Quay. There's a ferry that takes you across Christchurch Harbour, so you can visit both sides of the water in one go if you want to see both sides. And don't forget to grab yourself a well-earned drink after the first part of the walk. And after my drink, I set off for the walk back, and this time I chose a route that takes you along Christchurch Harbour. You can enjoy all the boats and the bridges, and it is just a different scenery than the cliff tops and the sea from the other side. But with all this water around, be sure to take care, because even in July the ground was a little bit soft. After a while you come out on the same path the train takes, and if you follow this path you will eventually reach the visitor centre, and then the cafe area, and then ultimately the car park. So we are now back at the car. Thank you so much for watching. That was Hengistbury Head, and we'll see you in the next video.